Hello everyone. Here I have the Honda Civic. Honda Civic. Okay, it's a Honda Civic 2018 Honda Civic. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. Okay, first thing first, right? Remove the key blade. Okay, if you push over the lever here, and then you can take the blade out. Okay, now you see the battery is here inside there. Okay, so you can use the key blade. Okay, you either put the key blade in the hole, the keyhole, like that, yeah, and then you twist it, or you can put it at the middle here, yeah, you twist it, it's the same thing. Okay, all right. Okay, if you put it in the hole like that, okay, you twist it, it will open. Is here pop? Yes, yeah, it will pop, you see. Now use a little bit of force to pull it apart like that, yeah, to pull it apart and then come apart. Okay, now you can use your fingers, right, to move to this is a CR-2032 battery. Okay, use the fingers, right, to remove the battery, but you need to hold this down, yeah, make sure this thing won't pop out as well, yeah. So you need to do that, hold this down, and then just check the battery out. Okay, like that. Okay, and then the here's the new battery. Okay, CR-2032 battery. Okay, and then put the battery back on this way in first. Okay, and then press it down. Okay, then line the cover up, yeah. When it's lined up like that, yeah, you press it down until you hear the click. Okay, it's done. Okay, so put the key blade on. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is Honda Civic, 2018 Honda Civic. Okay, thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you.